Hi boys and girls, I just wanted to do a short video on shapes. The other day in our C work we had this page, but I wanted to elaborate or tell you a little bit more about these shapes. We know a circle is round, it has no end, it just keeps going around and around, and it's flat on your paper. If you draw a circle, it's flat. But if you want to be able to pick up the circle and have dimension, be able to hold it, then it becomes a sphere. It's that unusual word, sphere. And it would be round, like a ball. A ball is a very good example. And you know, I cannot find one ball in this house. I can't believe it. But I've looked everywhere. The closest thing I have is an apple, and it's not really a sphere, but it's close. It looks round, and you can roll a round shape. You can roll it. It doesn't have a flat end. You just roll it. Okay. Then I have this example, which is almost a sphere. If you look at it this way, it is a sphere. It's round all the way. It is a globe, heavy glass, and you can even see many spheres. Oh, I don't want to drop. Many spheres inside of it floating. Can you see those? It's glass. It's heavy glass. Very unusual thing, isn't it? It's flowers. It looks like flowers inside of it. But I'm using this as an example for a sphere. Round, it only rolls, and I can hold it. So it's different from a circle. The circle is flat on the paper. A sphere, you can hold, you can throw a ball, catch it, play with it. Okay. Next, the square. If we look at a square, it's just a flat shape on the paper. 4 sides are equal. That's what makes it a square. All 4 sides are the same length. But if I want to hold a square and play with it, like in a box, I draw the sides of it and it becomes a cube. And the one that I drew is like an alphabet block with the alphabet on it. It has 1, 2, 3, underneath 4, this side 5, and the back 6 sides to the cube. If it's flat, if it's a flat square on the paper, it's just one side you can see. But if it's a cube, it is something you can hold. You could put things in it. Here I have a little cube. It's a little present. Okay, 6 sides. So that's the cube. Next, triangle. The triangle shape. 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. A triangle is a flat shape on paper, but it becomes a cone when you can pick it up and hold it. And the only example I have, I made it because I didn't have a cone shape. I made a pretend ice cream cone. Okay, I know it's not perfect, but it's close enough to understand that it has a flat top and it comes down to a point like a triangle. The next shape I want to show you is called a cylinder. A cylinder can be tall or short, and it looks like this, kind of like a tube. But if I want to pick up and hold a cylinder, do you know what that is? Guys, I'll show you. Here's my example. The paper towel holder, paper towels. They are on the tube in the middle. They're rolled around, and you can roll the paper towel this way, or you can slide it this way, top or bottom. The circle or the sphere you can only roll. The cone you can do either, You can roll it on its side like this, or you can slide it like this. The square, you can't roll the square. It has sharp edges and straight sides, so you can only slide it. Okay, so I showed you this cylinder shape, but I also want to show you a lipstick tube is also a cylinder shape. And so is this little flashlight. It can be rolled, or you can slide it, the top or the bottom. Okay? So we have the circle and the sphere, the square and the cube, the triangle and the cone, and then the cylinder shape. That's all. I just wanted to see. Oh, here's another good example that I found. Do y'all remember what this is called? This is from G Week, this picture of the Earth. What do we call that? Oh, that's a blend, GL. Globe. A globe. Which shape would that be called? Good. The sphere. The sphere. Okay, very good. Okay, guys, just a short little lesson. But I'll be back soon. Okay, bye.